this week on What's Cooking with Carolina Cooker. For recipes, visit carolinacooker.com.
All right, so today we're doing a chicken bog. We're using our 6-quart enameled pot. The first time I ever had chicken bog, a really good friend of mine down in South Carolina, Mike Dixon, made it for me. I hope that I do as good as him. We're gonna find out. All right, the first thing we're gonna do is cut our pork sausage up and our chicken up and get it added to the pot. All right, I'm gonna cut my onion up. Once I get it cut up, I'm gonna put 1 cup of onion into the pot. All right, next we're gonna do a 1/2 cup of melted butter, 2 teaspoons of house seasoning, 2 teaspoons of Lowry seasoning salt, 1 teaspoon of red pepper, and 3 bay leaves. All right, the next thing we're gonna do is add 8 cups of water. Once you get the water poured in, we're gonna bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat and let simmer for 40 minutes. Our sausage and chicken has been cooking for about 40 minutes. What we're gonna do now is add our rice. We're gonna put 3 cups of rice in, bring it back to a boil, and then let simmer for 10 minutes. All right, our time's up on our rice. It's been simmering for about 20 minutes. And it has really thickened up real good, as you can see. I'm gonna get just a little spoonful here with some chicken and a piece of that sausage. And I'm gonna blow on it because it's very hot. Try this out right here. That's pretty strong. I'm not sure that it's as good as Mike Dixon's, but it's pretty strong. So get a piece of this little sausage right here. Oh yeah. Very good. One of the comfort foods, you know, rice, chicken, sausage, very good. In our enameled pot from Carolina Cooker. Great recipe. More recipes like this, visit carolinacooker.com.